Are you ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready? Guess what? Yeah. What? What's that you say? Can't hear you. Oh, this. This is a brand new AGV K6 helmet. And we'll segue into the unboxing, how it comes out of the box in a moment. Right now I shall open up, and maybe my voice will work a little better this way. But here it is. Oh, what a nice helmet. It feels really good too as a start. I'll get a little relief in a while, but it is the right size for me. All right. Hey, why did I get this thing? Let's go into that part very quickly, but let's take it off first. Even though I do want to wear it around the house and pretend like I'm Racer Gary. Let's look this way. Okay, let's take it off and go into the details of this thing. And it's off. All right, so why did I choose the AGV K6 helmet? Well, the two main reasons, number one of the two main reasons is lightweight. This thing is really lightweight. I'll post some weights up in a moment, but it is around 1 pound, 3 ounces. Compared to my other helmets, that's really lightweight. Now it's a bit misleading because I am going to hang a communications device on the side of it. Still debating whether I want to ruin the looks of this thing by putting a GoPro mount on the front, or whether I'm going to try and work with one around the shoulder or not. But uber lightweight. Okay, let's begin that again. What are the reasons that attracted me to the AGV K6 helmet? And let's be honest, one of the main reasons is good looks. You really would like a helmet that looks good. And I know the vogue now is for a black, either glossy or matte helmets. I really think this red color scheme with the glossy black on the helmet looks really nice. So you gotta say, I mean, even though we'd all like to be so macho and say, well, I got it for the tech specs, looks is way up there. The other reason that I ended up with this is that it is really lightweight. AGV has done a lot in helmet design, bringing down the weights on them. And if you ride for any amount of time, a little bit of weight can make a very large difference. Well, you might ask yourself, go ahead, ask yourself. What's that? Oh yeah, what you gotta ask yourself is, hey Gary, how light is this thing? And I'll tell you, hey, what else are we gonna do here? I'll tell you, this weighs 1 pound, 2.9 ounces, 1 pound, 3 ounces, more or less, 1 pound, 3 ounces, which is very... The other feature that really is a selling point for me on the K6 is the venting. Now, depending upon how you count it, this either has 5 or so vents on it. There's a chin mount vent that you can get to easily with a pair of gloves. There are 2 crown vents on either side of your forehead, and then a center vent that also allows air to come up over the top of your head. And again, if you're in San Diego, that is just really a necessity. You need a good venting helmet because most of our riding is done in warmer weather. What's interesting is, do we need all those other vents in there to be separately operated? Like, how often would you have one side closed and the other side open here? Usually, the only time I do that is when I forget to open them both or close them both. But anyhow, it is adequately well vented, really like that. Weight, the venting, cost point is good. The other thing that's very nice about this helmet, it has a real positive enclosure on the face shield here. And what happens when when you're pulling up to a stop on a hot day, you pop it and you get a little breeze going. It cracks open a little bit, you get a little breeze going, then you start rolling down the road. You can drop it down again and you're in the fully safe position there. So that's a very nice feature, particularly here in San Diego. Then to lift it all the way up, you hold it in all the way and you've got some detents to hold it in place. The other nice thing about it, it comes pin lock ready, which I discovered the other day. I did a little ride around San Diego here on a very cold day. It was even fogging up as I was moving, so I discovered I do need that pin lock, so I will be installing that for winter anyway. The other nice thing about it is that it's a nice wide face shield. So your peripheral vision is quite good with this. When someone comes up on the side, you can pick them out. Not quite as well as you could if you didn't have a helmet on, but it works very well for doing that. So there you have it. We did the unboxing. I'll follow this little intro with the unboxing that I did earlier, but I couldn't wait to try it on and show it and share it with everybody. My 2022 present, a AGV K6 helmet. Lightweight, well ventilated, good peripheral vision. Really like this helmet. We'll share a motorcycle ride with it here as soon as we can. Anyhow, let me know what you think. I think it's handsome and looking forward to riding with it. In the meantime, welcome to 2022. Oh boy, we have an unboxing to do. Was Santa good for you? Yeah, I hope so. She was pretty good to me this year because voila, the AGV Caschi da Corsa del 1947. We're not going to talk about what's significant about 1947 except to say for people it was a really good year. You might be able to figure that out if you put your noodle to it. But in any case, we are actually going to unbox this thing. I'm very excited about it. I've had it for a couple, 3 days. No riding. We've gone through a lot of wind, a lot of rain, and some colder by California standards weather anyway here. And I'm going to open it up and share it with you guys. I'm going to share my first sighting of this. Now, just so you know, I went down to Cycle World and I tried this on. You can buy helmets over the internet. My personal opinion is, though, that such an important piece of gear, you really need to put your head in it at a store or something to make sure you're buying the right size, that it's really the right size for you, which I did. As per usual with most things, they didn't have it in stock. And if you go to Cycle Gear, they don't have it in stock. You can buy it and they'll send it to your house, which is what they did for me. So let's open it up. I'm so excited. Santa, you've been good to me. All right, I'm gonna raise up out of the picture here. Let's open up the box. I need to put my reading glasses on for this, sorry. That makes that 1947 more relevant, if you'll understand. Notice how to fit a helmet, all sorts of warnings here. Don't eat it, don't drop it on your foot. Here's the, sorry, I've just got to clear my throat. Here's the helmet in a well-padded box. Let's take out the stuff they give you around it first. Okay, got a little plastic bag in here with an AGV sticker. Cool. And it looks like a user manual. Kind of interesting, they give you a user manual for a helmet. I'm gonna guess the first instructions are put it on your head, not your feet. Just a thought. But you do get a user's manual. I'm sure it is loaded with legalese. Okay, let's go through here, see what all you get. You get a free plastic bag, of course. Who can't have enough of those? The AGV sticker. You get a little bucket of silicone oil. That's to grease the hinges. You get the chin curtain. And this one's kind of a nice thick one, by the way. I sort of like that. That means that it could be warming and have sound deadening. Oh, another little baby sticker. Aw, wait, my finger's in the way. Little baby sticker. A warning. This helmet meets or exceeds many of the world's most demanding technical standards for helmet protection. No representation is made to the product's ability to protect the user from all injury in case of accident. Attention, for further information, please read the enclosed consumer notice and warranty. So I guess what they're saying is if you ride into a brick wall at 100 miles an hour or so, the helmet may not be exactly what you need to protect you. You know, you can't protect from stupid. So let's take a look here. Here is the very nicely done user's manual. Let's see if they've numbered the pages. They've got space at the back for notes. There are, a number of languages in here. And here they are. This starts with Italian, which only seems fair since it's made in Italy. Grazie per aver scelto AGV, for buying. And thank you for choosing